In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom domain to Google Sites. By the end, you'll know exactly how to point your own web address to your Google site so visitors can find you at a clean branded URL. First, open Google Sites and edit the site you want to connect. Head to your Google Sites dashboard, click into the site and make sure you're in the editor view. It helps to confirm your site is ready to be published, since the domain connection is meant for a site that's live or about to go live. Next, look for the gear icon to open settings, then choose custom domains. This is where Google Sites manages the mapping between your site and the domain you own. You'll see options to start the process and later to review or remove mappings if you ever need to make changes. Click Start Setup. This launches a guided workflow that keeps things simple and prevents missed steps. Don't worry, you can back up or cancel at any point if you need to double check something with your domain provider. Now you'll choose between use a domain from Google or use a domain from another provider. If your domain is already managed in the same Google account, this is usually the fastest path because Google can configure the underlying records for you. If your domain lives with another registrar, choose the second option. You'll be asked to select whether you want to use the root domain or a subdomain. Many sites use a subdomain like www for the public address, but you can pick what fits your setup. Just keep it consistent with how you want people to access the site. Finally, follow the prompts to verify domain ownership. If your domain is with Google, verification often happens automatically. If it's with another provider, you'll likely see instructions to add a TXT record to your DNS settings. Copy the exact value Google provides and paste it into your registrar's DNS manager. Save the changes, wait a few minutes, then return to Google Sites and continue. DNS updates can take time, sometimes up to 24-48 hours, though many verify much faster. If it doesn't verify right away, give it a bit more time and try again. Once verified, Google Sites completes the connection and provisions SSL automatically so your site loads securely. Test your domain in a new browser tab or an incognito window. If it's not showing yet, let it propagate and check back shortly. That's it, you've added a custom domain to your Google site.